Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows 11 file explorer search not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type as services, open services and find out a Windows search. Open a Windows search services and make sure that it's selected automatic. Click on apply and OK and restart the services. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find out a search and indexing. Click run. After doing this test, select a search or indexing is slow. Click next to continue. Click next. After that, click on close. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your Windows update, and if any update available, then download and install in your PC. Now check for updates. Now in my case is up to date. After that, close it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.